Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this equation from trigonometry. So you prove that the cos to power 4 of theta minus the sine to power 4 of theta is equal to cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So to prove, we just try to rearrange or express what we have on the left-hand side and see if it looks like the one that we have on the right. So on the left-hand side, what we have is the cos of 4 of theta minus the sine of 4 of theta. So let us rewrite this. This can be written as cos squared theta squared minus sine squared theta squared. And now we can relate this with the quadratic identities. This is a difference of squares, such that if you have a squared minus b squared, that is the same as a plus b, a minus b. So it therefore means that what we have here, that is the cos squared theta squared minus sine squared theta squared is the same as cos squared theta plus sine squared theta times cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So according to the quadratic identities, that is what we get according to this. Now we can rewrite this first part using trigonometric functions. That is, if you have cos squared plus sine squared theta, that is the same as 1. So it therefore means that we can actually rewrite this first part as 1. So it means therefore what we have is 1 times this other one, that is cos squared theta minus sine squared theta, which will just be 1 times that, which is just cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. And if you look at what we have on the right hand side, it is actually what we have. Therefore, we have proven. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe.